Hello, my name is Al. I am the inventor of a tool called the lineClamp. I'm working on a door right now. We hung this door. Right now it's just temporarily hung because lunchtime came, but this is the process I use to hang a door. Basically, I start off the hinge side, and what I'll do is I'll take a level and put a level line on each side of the door and one on top. So I use them as my reference line. And then when you're hanging it from the outside, what you do is you take the door and you slide it as far left as you can, and you put a reference line on the bottom. Then you slide it as far right as you can and put another reference line, and then you center it in between the two reference lines, which is what I did there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I'm doing. And I'll put a screw in there, and then I'll get the measurement from there to my level line, and I'll make the top exactly the same. And then the next step I would do is that level line that I have on top, I would check the distance from there and make that exactly the same. Now, if this is lower, that's fine because I can raise that side up. But if it's higher, then I will put a mark on this side to where it's supposed to be, and then I'll disconnect this and raise it up to that mark and re-level this side. And then I'll take my other side, and whatever that line is should be the same as the bottom level line, and then I would make the center of the door exactly the same distance. And that's basically how I hang a door from the outside of the house. It's fast, it's easy, and it's pretty accurate. If there's a little bit of discrepancy, the trim carpenters can adjust the door to get it perfect, but it usually works perfectly. Anyway, that's how I hang an exterior door.